Hello, Bente. Okay, so I am here inside your Hourglass account. So this is the Your Wants Now Hourglass account. That's where I am. So Your Wants Now Hourglass account. This is where I am. And I just want to go through how everything is in this account. Everything is here. So you have a few contacts in this account, but also all of your pages are in this account. So if I can go through here, this is where your landing pages are. So there's a call funnel, aka a calendar funnel right here. This is your lead magnet funnel. So I can go and take a look at it right here, view page. And this is your lead magnet. So it's here, right? All this is here. The second step page is here, right? So once they finish that, this is sitting here, right? So all of this is done. Now, what we need to do is we need to add a domain. Okay, so we need to add a domain to this, and this is going to be a theme. So this is if you're using yourwants-now.com as a domain, Shelly needs access to that domain so she can make some what they call DNS record adjustments that allow us to go in and connect Hourglass to your domain. So I don't know whether you got it through GoDaddy or whatever's hosting your domain, but we need to figure that part out. Then this URL at the top will be shorter because right now it has to be this long because Hourglass is creating a subdomain for you because no domain is actually attached, right? So your pages are here. And as Shelly mentioned, right, back in, when is this? This is July, I think, that she will wait for your URL or domain, right? We need that. And wait for your email on what you want to change in your lead magnet because you need to get access to what you want to change in the lead magnet. So those things are right there. Now the automations are working, right? So your lead magnet automation right here, all of this is inside Hourglass. Once they submit the form, so once they submit this little form, boop, 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 this automation gets triggered. This email gets sent, and I'll pull up my email here. So this is the email that gets sent. Okay. You download now, and it gives you this blueprint. Okay, so all of that is finished. All of it's working. All of it's ready to go. So I'm not sure what you mean by it's not working properly. If you want to adjust some of these emails here, either you can come in and do it, or I don't mind doing it, but Bente, that's not what you're paying us every month is for access to the software. It's not for us to go in and do the editing for you on a grand basis, right? Okay, so this is here, ready to go for you. Now, as I was saying, let me check my notes here. Uh, your domains aren't working right now. So if I go to yourwantsnow.com, there's nothing here, right? Or if I check your back office, I go to settings. What else? There's this one here, right? resourcequeenofvision.com. So if I go up and I take a look, right? There's nothing here. So we can't, unfortunately, like there's nothing here to send people to, or I don't know if this is what you wanted, but those don't exist yet, right? If the yourwantsnow.com, if we can get into the back end, we can connect the domain, but those websites don't exist yet. Um, and there's nothing we can do about that. I mean, if you want to hire us to build your website, that's different, which we can do, but that's a different question. Okay, so I'm just checking my notes. Automations are there. As I said, here is the email that I get. Now, if we click on this, right, this is going to a 404 error. Okay, so we need to um, We need to connect your calendar. So if we go to sites and we go to your call funnel calendar, right? Um, we don't have a call, like we don't have a calendar function here. So did you want to use Calendly? Did you want to create a calendar inside Hourglass? What do you want here? Because you're going to have somebody set this up for you to get a functioning calendar, which is something that we can do. It's fine. I don't mind doing it, but we need to know exactly what dates, when you're available, what do you want to have done, and all those things. So there's a lot of clarity that we're going to need from your side to be able to make a calendar function. Because right now we don't have a page for your calendar, right? We don't have a calendar, I should say, to put on your page. And then once again, we're going to need the domain or else these won't work properly. So in your lead magnet down the bottom here, there's this, which goes to a 404 error because we don't have a domain to send to it. So this is all coming back to the same challenge, right? As we said, we need a domain, right? So you're going to have to get in onto a Zoom with Shelly and go to GoDaddy or whatever domain host you use for the yourwantsnow.com website or the Queen of Vision website. And we're going to need to connect that website to Hourglass so we can use it to host these things. Otherwise, none of this will work properly, including sending mass email. Because right now, if I go to your email settings, we're going to come down to the same challenge, right? We need a dedicated domain to be able to send properly, or else the emails will get trapped in spam or bounce completely back or not be delivered without that. So that's another piece to the pie. So we need that domain to be able to fix the emails as well. So now your blueprint, okay? This is a PDF. I can't edit this unless I break it open. And that's my graphic designer is going to have to break this open to go in there and edit it for you. Okay? Um, so it's going to be about $50 for us to go in here and edit this because it takes a while to break open these PDFs and to start editing them. Um, and that's just a part of the process to make sure that this changes to what you want. Because I can't, it's not a Word document. I just can't go in and edit it. This is a PDF document, which means my graphic designer has to crack this open with his Adobe Illustrator and then start using and editing, which is going to take him a couple hours. And that's just what it's going to cost, right? So we can edit it. It's no problem. It'll be 50 US for us to edit this. And it will take a couple hours once we know what you want. But we can totally edit your PDF for you. But as you can see, everything is here, Bente. It's all here. We just need where's that email again? We need this domain. Okay, we need the domain. I need you and Shelly to connect and the domain. Now you've got all the links. This is the one I sent on July the 10th. Okay, Hourglass CRM. Boom. This is going to take you into Hourglass if you want to log in. Okay, ChatGPT, the landing page for your lead connector or for your lead magnet is right here. Right? Your back office for content to cache right here. And this is the link to schedule a meeting with Shelly for one-on-ones. So I don't know what exactly you're missing, but the access pass is designed to give you access to all of these functions, access to all of these elements, right? You get access to all of these things for only $150 a month. I mean, the software itself, just the software, is $100 a month if you went directly to the company. So um, for $50, you get all of the other pieces, the coaching, all the AI tools, right? All the weekly guidance. If you don't find value in it, Bente, then that's fine. You can cancel your account, right? But for $150 US per month, I have no problem finalizing some of these setup features for you. But after that, this is not what we do for $150 a month clients, right? They're not just what you would call like graphic or marketing ad hoc clients. They're getting Access Pass, which is the AI tools, the weekly coaching, access to Hourglass, and access to all the training that I'm slowly but surely putting into your content to cash back office. That's what it is for 147 US per month. And it's a crazy good deal. If you don't like it, that's totally fine. I get it. Um, you don't have to buy it. You can do your hosting with Hourglass or with Go High Level somewhere else. But um, for right now, I will finish what the little bits and pieces here that are available. You have to connect with Shelly. So go to this spot, okay? Or sorry, go to this link right here. Connect with Shelly and access your domain. If we can't get access to your domain, none of these things work. And then think about what you want to make available for your calendar so that we can put that in here. Okay. Thanks so much. I hope that helps, and I hope you're having a great day. Ciao for now.